Here we will know about the simple microscope, its principle, working of a simple microscope, and how to find the magnification of a simple microscope. Simple microscope, or it is also called as a magnifying glass, is a single convex lens of short focal length. Why we are taking a short focal length convex lens, we will know it later. Then the principle of simple microscope. We know that when the object lies between the focus and the optical center of a convex lens, then the image formed is erect, virtual and magnified, and it is formed at the same side of the object. This is the principle of a simple microscope. Now let us understand the diagram first. This is the actual picture of a simple microscope. This is also known as a magnifying glass or reading glass, and here these are two ray diagrams. In this first ray diagram, the image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision. We know that a normal eye can see an object clearly at the least distance of distinct vision, which is 25 centimeter. And in this second diagram, the final image is formed at infinity. That means here the object lies at the focus. Here object lies at the principal focus, so the final image is formed at infinity. Why we are taking this CB dash in both the diagrams? We know it when we derive the magnification for both the cases, and these are the different uses of a simple microscope. So simple microscope is used for magnifying the printed letters in a book, textures of fibers or threads of a cloth, details of stamps. See, here are some diagrams of uses of simple microscope. Astrologers use this magnifying glass or simple microscope to read the fate lines of the hand. Watch repairers use it to locate the defects. Detectives departments use it to match fingerprints, and also we use it in physics laboratory for reading vernier scales. So now let us come to the derivation of magnifying power or magnification produced by a simple microscope. See, this is the ray diagram. This ray diagram is for when the final image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision. Here AB is the object which lies between the optical center and focus of this convex lens. Now, as it lies between optical center and the focus, so the image is virtual, erect and magnified. This B dash A dash is the image of the object AB, and the object is so adjusted that this image A dash B dash is formed at the least distance of distinct vision, which is mentioned here as capital D. Now, the magnifying power or magnification of a simple microscope when the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. This is the definition of magnifying power or magnification when the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. According to the definition, the magnifying power of a simple microscope is defined as the ratio of angle subtended by the image at the eye to the angle subtended by the object at the eye when both the image and object are situated at distance of distinct vision. See, actually the object lies between the optical center and focus, that is here object is AB, but according to the magnifying power or definition of magnifying power is the ratio of the angle subtended by the image at the eye to the angle subtended by the object at the eye when both the object and image lies at distance of distinct vision. A dash B dash is the image which is already at the distance of distinct vision, but object AB is here. So now taking this object here to find the magnification only. So this is the virtual position of the object, this B dash C. Now see here, theta O is the angle subtended by this virtual object B dash C at the eye, and theta I is the angle subtended by this image A dash B dash at the eye. See, this theta I is the angle subtended by the image at the eye, and theta O is the angle subtended by this virtual object B dash C at eye when both are situated at distance of distinct vision D. So this is the according to the definition of magnification, M is equal to theta I divided by theta O. Here where theta I the angle subtended by the image at the eye, and theta O is the angle subtended by the object at the eye when both the object and image are at distance of distinct vision. M is equal to theta I divided by theta O according to the definition. This is equal to tan theta I divided by tan theta O. Again here we are considering these angles theta O and theta I are small, so their tan value is equal to the value of the angle. This implies, or this is equal to, in this diagram tan theta I is equal to, see, this triangle OBA. In this triangle OBA, tan theta I is equal to AB divided by OB, and tan theta O is equal to this C in this triangle CB dash O, tan theta O is equal to CB dash divided by OB dash, CB dash divided by OB dash. But see, CB dash is equal to AB because CB dash is nothing but the virtual position of this object AB. So this is equal to, these two will be cancelled out. So this is equal to OB dash divided by OB. OB is the object distance, and OB dash is the image distance, but the image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision. So we'll take it as minus d divided by OB is the object distance, that is minus u. So this is equal to d divided by u. But see, here d is a constant quantity, but u is a variable, because position of object can be taken at any position, or object can be taken at any position between O and F. So it is a variable quantity. So let us replace this u first. According to the length formula, we know that let us write this as this implies m is equal to d by u. M is equal to d by u. Let us give some equation number to it. Equation number 2. So according to the length formula, we know that 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. This implies in this case v is the least distance of distinct vision, so minus d minus 1 by u, again u is also minus, is equal to, as it is a convex lens, so focal length will be positive. Okay. Now this implies one by u is equal to 1 by d plus 1 by f. This implies, now multiplying both sides by d, we will get d by u is equal to d divided by d plus d divided by f. So this implies, but d, according to equation number 2, d by u is the magnification. So m is equal to 1 plus d divided by f. So this is the formula of the magnification or magnifying power of a simple microscope when the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. See, here the magnification is inversely related to the focal length, that if we take a short focal length convex lens, then the magnification will be more. That's why we are taking a short focal length convex lens as a magnifying glass or a simple microscope. Now let us discuss the magnifying power of a simple microscope when the final image is formed at infinity. See, it is the, see here it is the diagram. This is the convex lens. We know that the final image will be formed at infinity when the object lies at the focus. So here the object AB lies at the principal focus of the convex lens, and the final image is formed at the infinity. Now why we are using this situation or condition? Because when we see an image at the near point, it causes some strain in the eye. If the image is formed at infinity, the rays enter the eye as parallel beam, then the eye does not have to exert any accommodation power and it is in the relaxed position. So it is more suitable and comfortable for viewing the object for a longer time. And here in this diagram, AB is the object which is situated at the principal focus F and the image is formed at infinity. And the definition of magnifying power or magnification for this position is, it is the ratio of angles obtained by the image at the eye to the angles obtained by the object at the eye when the object is situated at least distance of distinct feature and image is at infinity. Here theta I, see here in this diagram, theta I is the angles obtained by the image at the eye and theta O is the angles obtained by the object at the eye situated at the least distance of distinct feature. So let us find the magnification now. M is equal to theta I divided by theta O. Now this theta I can be written as tan theta I divided by tan theta O. Now let us put the value of tan theta I. So this is equal to AB. In this triangle OBA, tan theta I is equal to AB divided by OB. And tan theta O is equal to CB dash divided by OB dash. So this is equal to, again CB dash and AB are equal. So we can write it as OB dash divided by OB. But OB dash is the, see, OB dash is the least distance of distinct vision or OB dash is the image distance. Here it is equal to minus D. And OB is the object distance and here the object distance is equal to the focal length. So minus F. Why we are taking it a minus? Because it is the object distance. So here object distance is equal to minus F. So this is equal to D divided by F.